Okay, go ahead.
Yes! Yes! I knew it was coming! I've seen the commercials. Oh, look! No, oh, okay.
Get your hand out. What is that?
Think about it.
Here, if he needs a knife.
You need a knife to get into it?
What? Yeah, don't give Benjamin a knife.
Oh, cool! It looks like FJ! Look.
Oh, wow.
Pull one out. Can you pull one out?
Uncle Ken said, whatever he got you guys, that I can't take it from you guys.
What? So that's just
Oh, man.
one, yellow one.
What?
This one. What is it? Red.
Oh, man.
Show Daddy what you got.
Oh, man. Hey, you know what? I'll keep the silver one in the driveway. Sweetie?
Oh, you got some princess shirt?
Hey, Daddy,
Look
look
at what else you got? Some
these
princess
do.
pants to go with in the bag.
Oh, hold that up.
I've been watching.
What do you, hey, I'm videoing this, so what do you say to him? Benjamin, or Jacob, what do you say to him?
Thank you.
Thank you to Grandpa and Grandma Mons, right?
Thank you, Grandma.
Ponies.
Ponies for your doll?
Who's that from, Eleanor?
Uncle Ken and Aunt Sam. Close.
Oh,
What'd you get there, bud? You like those? You like those?
you got some matching jammies like Eleanor. Look at Eleanor.
Do you like those, Jacob?
Good girl.
Yeah, Bill.
What is it? What is it?
Oh,
Jacob.
it's Santa Claus. Oh, it's.
What is it, Bella? Are you stepping on it with your other foot?
Oh, man, that wasn't worth it. That was worth it.
You got a book?
Open it up, sweetie.
Open it up. It's a snowman on the front, yes.
They got you a hanger? Sweet. Nice. Those are always good gifts.
What else did you get?
Oh,
You got some more pants on that hanger.
what else you got?
Leave it there. What else is in there?
That's for that.
Oh.
A
Look.
pretty dress?
They'll go good with your pink cowboy boots, Eleanor.
Yeah. Yep. Oh. Okay, Jacob, hold on. There's some things in the back. Benjamin's getting the...
Another Lego set. I think it's not the cops. Oh, sweet, an ambulance.
What is it, Benjamin?
Legos.
How do you know?
Most likely the sound.
What kind? What's the set?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
That I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, dirt bikes. I can speak that new dirt bikes. Oh.
There you go. Oh, what's in there?
More clothes.
What'd you
Oh,
get?
that clothes. Baby.
Aww. Do you like your baby too? Thank you. Huh? That's a sweet baby.
Oh, yes. I got police. Forest police.
Oh, man. Then you guys can go after bad guys, huh?
Big truck.
Oh, sweet.
And a little four-wheeler. Wait. Aw, I didn't get baby.
You didn't ask for a Beyblade, did you? I didn't hear you ask. Yours.
Eleanor, that's not yours.
That's for Graham.
You want to open it for her? Open it for her, okay?
Okay, you open it for Graham. We'll send her the video.
Hey, where's my found him. Chewbacca!
Hold on, is that pretty?
No, Chewbacca.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Chewbacca,
Look at Eleanor. Look at.
Oh, Tiff, we thought his eyes were.
We're missing one. Hold on, Eleanor. Look, it's a pretty bracelet. Look what it's got on it. It's got a B and an E.
million. No, it's 2
And they were out of J's.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
million.
Oh, no. Should it be for you or should it be for mommy? For you. You like pretty stuff?